What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com. You're looking at a 2016 Honda Goldwing F6B, guys. This is the premium edition. It has the heated grips, the heated seats. It has cruise control. It has premium sound. It's got everything. It's a super cool black and white, like Stormtrooper color. Guys, this is the walk around. This bike's not perfect, but it is in great shape. It's got this cool, like, pearl white flat color. Got some scuffs around the bottom and the bags here. It's in pretty good shape. Scuff right there. Seats in really good shape. No tears or anything like that. It's got these really cool flip out things here. Highway pegs. I love that feature. I think it looks so good. So clean. A couple little scuffs on the mirror there. A couple little scuffs on the handle there. Not a huge deal. Move up here to the front fender. Front fender's in great shape. Tiny little scuff right there. This is in really good shape, guys. Digging this bike. Obviously, it's got the same on the opposite side. Obviously. Controls for the heated driver and controls for the heated passenger. We got a scuff here on the bag, if you can see that. And then a couple little scuffs here. Other than that, guys, it's in really good shape. It has this Kuryakin piece here. Don't know exactly what that's for. I don't know if it's for a drink or what. It's got 16,859 miles, and this beast fires up right away. It's got those fog lights, guys. It's got all the presets. Does have an aux cord. Control for heated grips. Guys, this bike's in awesome shape. 16,000 miles on a 2016 Honda Goldwing F6B. This bike will not last long, guys. This bike's awesome. I love the color. Make sure to check out the test drive. Oh, and one thing I want to mention, guys. It does have the car tire change on the back. You can see that. It's got a Bridgestone. I think it's one of their like never flats. It's got plenty of tread. Tread in the front is a tad bit weak, but it's still got life. Good life. It's just, you know, a little bit worn. So yeah, like I said, guys, car tire flip in the back. 2016 Honda Goldwing F6B. Thanks again for watching, guys.